All right, guys. So today I'm going to show you how you would use something that you've purchased in your inventory. Okay, so for instance, let's say you need to use a restroom or whatever. There's different roles that you're assigned that we'll talk about later, like where you earn extra money every paycheck because you're doing a job in the class, right? So there'll be someone that's in charge of kind of helping me keep track of this stuff. But all you would need to do is on your laptop, your Chromebook, your cell phone, whatever, you just would need to pull up your personal inventory. Okay, and then you can see right here I have one hall pass, right? And so that might be something that you want to build a couple of those up, right? Depending on how often you need to use the hall pass or whatever. But then, yeah, when you're ready to use it, all you have to do is on this left-hand side, you'll click this check. Are you sure you want to use this item? Use. And you can see it disappeared, right? And so, I mean, there's certain things that are automatically, so like on the personal inventory, like the life happens redraw, like you don't use it from this page. The teacher is the one that actually, so I'd be the one that would actually help you use that. But yeah, I mean, there's obviously all these different items that you might want to use. Some of them you get to use, right? So if you're wanting to do like a mental decompression, right, for 15 minutes, then you'd come check in with me and say, hey, is it okay if I use this? And then you would click use, and then it would disappear from your inventory. Okay, so it's just another way that we're able to kind of help you guys learn how to budget for things that you want to need / things that you have to need. But yeah, so that's basically all you have to do in order to use something from your personal inventory.